Well, so that's gonna be a wrap for me. Got the gas tank out. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E. I'm still plugging away at this 2011 Ford Taurus we picked up from Copart as a parts car. Now it's time to start digging into the rear end, getting the deck lid off because I need that deck lid. And there's a lot of corrosion back here from the water damage. Tail lights are garbage. Marker lights are garbage. It's all garbage. But that deck lid, gotta get the gas tank dropped. Gotta do a lot of stuff. So hopefully we get it all done in this video. I ain't gonna make another chop shop video unless y'all really want it, or I have nothing else to do because I still gotta get more Zawzaw blades. But let's have at it. So here's what's really left of the 2011 Ford Taurus parts car from Copart. If you're new to this channel, first time watching this video, roof gone. Damaged that door over there when the roof fell on that door. Trying to take it out the garage. I did cut it into two pieces. So got the B pillar still left. And all of this. They got wiring harness to get out. Gas tank to drop. Rear subframe to drop. But I got to get this deck lid off and start removing all the stuff that's salvageable, like this back bumper. But to get those are Phillips head screws that's on there, and then the mud flaps. Got to unplug all these wires. It's not an unplug. It's not another where to unplug it back there. So you got to pull all your wires out of the deck lid, which is very simple. They all there. Marker lights, camera, electronic pop is all there. So I just got to get it all out. So let me get started. Now it's time to get this rear bumper removed. There's a bunch of Phillip heads. And that's how I set up my thing to get up in there if I have to move the tires. Because obviously I don't got no front end. I just got a jack up in front. One. Two. Three. There's 5 of them. And you got 4 Christmas trees up under the car that you got to take off the bumper reinforcement. There's 5 of these screws over here, Phillips head. I just set that up like that. Oh. I don't want to sit these in the glass. Should have my gloves on. Yank this bumper off. Got some sensors. Yeah, I got some stuff I got to unplug that's behind there. I still got to take it off, but I will be taking off this soon. Now the whole car want to come with me. Tail light's already unplugged. Heat coming back on. Are you telling me? Okay. Now I'm trying to pull that off. That's part of the bumper. Some clips in there. I'm gonna break them. Oh, I'm not breaking them. Boy, I gotta make everything so difficult. Got sensors in the back bumper, tail light, all that good stuff. Where's the main plug so I can unplug it? And it's all corroded. So I can throw the bumper in the back. Yeah, we're gonna plug. It's gonna be one of those days. So y'all know where the plug is at. I'm gonna get this off and get back to work. it's time to tackle the gas tank. I see 2 straps. Look to be 13s. There's also a brace back here. Now I want to get off. I know I'm doing everything backwards. Usually I drop the gas tank first. Whew. See if we can get this gas tank out. Probably another bolt holding the filler neck. So I have to jack put the car back down. I want to drop this on my, ain't really nothing in it. Bam, in my head. Okay. Well, there's some gas up in here. Oh, it wouldn't drop down on my head. Yep, time to get the gas tank out. Like I said, it's probably, I know it's 2 more bolts. And they're probably even bolts. They probably just probably just go into the, nope, I don't see them back there. Yeah, I see them now. But the rear frame is in there. I do got jack stands holding this up. And some blocks of wood up under the tires. Well, let me not do that under the rear tire so the car won't slide back, but not keeping the car from sliding forward. So I'm not going to pull on that. And I'm going to get back to work before I hurt myself.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go.
Woo! Well, see, that's gonna be a wrap for me. Got the gas tank out. Wasn't that hard. But you do gotta get those back straps off. Unless you want to pop those rivets out because it's all attached. I end up dropping the rear subframe. Just get to those 2. They had to come out anyway. And that was I think a 21 millimeter and some 13 millimeters. To drop those out if they're not seized or froze, or you break one off like I did. I waited to the end to do the strut. The shocks in the back, which is back there, 19 millimeter. So once I undid that, the whole one side dropped down, and the other side dropped down. I was able to get to where I need to get to, even though this is a parts car. If I was had to drop this on the different car, you don't gotta drop it. Nobody made it like that. You can access your gas tank from here to change the fuel pump. You got 2 access ports to get to both sides of the tank. Even though you only on this one, you only got 1 tank side, but they got 2 ports, A and B. But that's gonna be it. Tank out. Got to clean up at a later time because it's freezing outside. Bumper can go outside, rear bumper can go outside, tires can go outside. For now, I'll make me a little path. But if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on your social media if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Read Bills. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when they release a new video. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. It's links in the description area below. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!